For over 20 years, Pittsburgh Wire Cable has been a value-add stocking distributor of electrical cable solutions in the OEM market.
Pittsburgh Wire and Cable was founded in 1992 as generally a electrical wire and cable distribution company for the electrical contractor market. Since then, we have changed our focus to a custom cable solution distribution company working in harsh environments, primarily in the video inspection industry.
Pittsburgh Wire and Cable provides OEM-quality replacement cables for OEMs, contractors, and municipalities servicing the TV inspection industry. We provide Kevlar-reinforced mainline and lateral replacement cables, push cables that come in bulk and terminated assemblies, as well as pigtails and interconnect cables.
At PWC, we keep a full inventory of our products. We pride ourselves on excellent customer service by cutting and shipping your order within 24 to 48 hours. For more information, please visit pittsburghwire.com.